What's really good, what's really good. Hope y'all been doing all right. All right. Hope y'all took some of that information from that last video. Maybe we've been making some money because this week had a handful of banger trades with that 7-8 pre-market strategy. I give all praise and all glory to God for blessing me with the intuition to create it. And yeah, but in today's video, members in the Discord wanted me to post a motivational video. So today, I'm going to be posting a motivational video for you day traders, traders who are getting into trading, traders who have been trading, maybe haven't succeeded yet or looking for success. And I'm telling y'all, and I'm making this video in regards to help you understand that you need to be patient. Many times in the Bible does God tell us to be patient and just wait. Within waiting, just trust him through the process. Because if we can do so, then on the other side will be that blessing. I understand how a lot of traders put out their information, put out their videos. Trading can look like a very much get rich quick scheme, but it's not. It is far from a get rich quick scheme. And it's not because strategically it's hard to understand and get good at trading, but mentally it's hard to get good at trading. By continuing to do the right things, the disciplined things, the things that you're supposed to do, not the things that you shouldn't do. And because of that, a lot of people get into trading thinking they're going to get rich quick, immediately. I've had many students, many previous members getting in there, joining my Discord thinking that they're just going to get rich in the next week, rich in the next month, rich in the next 3 months. And that's not what it is. I'm edging up on 3 years right now in trading. And yeah, I'm thankful where I'm at. No, I'm not where I want to be, but I'm thankful where I'm not used to be. But overall, I am being patient because I know as long as I'm patient, as long as I keep my trust and faith in the Lord 100% genuinely, and I focus on my relationship with God, the outside factors that are playing into the inside factors of trading that are going to hold me back from success and sabotage this business, the thing that I've been blessed with by God, then I know on the other side, when the time is right, I will fully succeed to the fullest extent. And this is how us traders need to move through the markets. This is why I make such a big emphasis on how important it is to have God in your life, period, but especially implementing God in your relationship with God into trading. Because so many things, biblically, the things that God tells us to do and avoid doing and to be aware of, plays so much into factor of trading and the things that we should and shouldn't do. When it comes to trading, we can't be greedy. Otherwise, we'll make stupid decisions. We'll lose a bunch of money trying to get rich. We can't be impatient. Otherwise, we'll make stupid, irrational decisions and wish that we never did so and, take a bad L. We can't be fearful and scared because then we're going to miss the good opportunities and then we're going to end up only grabbing the bad opportunities because we're too fearful to get in when we should just get in. And doing the things like not being greedy, being patient so you don't make a stupid, irrational decision. And this is why it's so important to have a relationship with Christ. Because if it wasn't for my relationship with Christ and being blessed with trading, mentally, I would not be where I am currently. I wouldn't be where I am when it comes to my mentorship and teaching people about the mental aspects of trading, the things that they need to understand inevitably that are going to happen. And I thank God for putting me in those moments. I thank God for all of the lessons, all of the everything, the tests and whatnot, because it's all for future growth. Because I know in the future, as long as I'm patient and I keep trusting the Lord, and there is nothing stopping me from succeeding to the fullest extent. So again, be patient, because in the Bible it says those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. If you can just be patient and wait on the Lord, for his timing is absolutely perfect, then that blessing will come. It might not come when you want it to, but it's going to come when it's ready to, because God's timing is perfect timing. So be patient. Matter of fact, in my men's Bible, it says from Psalm 27:14, wait for the Lord, be strong and let your heart be courageous, wait for the Lord. And this emphasizes that being patient in these moments where we need to be patient and wait shouldn't be something to be fearful about, but something to be thankful about, because this is going to grow us to be stronger through the process until that blessing does come, and obviously further past that. Many times is it emphasized to be patient, because us human beings, men and women, we are very impatient. We want things done now, right when we see it, right when we want to do it. We want it done right this moment. And we don't even understand that majority of the times, on the reason why certain things that we want to happen now don't happen till eventually is because right now is not the right time. You see, you've been trading for, let's say, 6 months. You're wondering why you're not succeeding. It's because you are not ready to be in that state, because mentally you have not grown. Physically, you have not grown within your time span within trading to genuinely be able to handle that type of success. You have not matured enough to be put in that environment. And until you do grow, which will be the time that blessing comes when you are just patient, then mentally you'll be ready for those moments. This is why some people, they wonder why they're not making a bunch of money. They buy these really big, expensive funded accounts that are like $200,000 accounts, and they wonder why they keep blowing it. It's because mentally you are not ready to work with that type of money. You are trying to make this a get-rich-quick scheme. You're trying to do every single thing in your basic will to be able to get rich quick. And you need to understand that's not going to happen. And you need to be patient and understand that the reason why it's taking longer for that blessing to come is because you are not ready for it. That is the process of the patientary period. Not even a word, but whatever. Because throughout that period of waiting, you are growing. Mentally, you are growing. Physically, you are growing for that blessing to come. Otherwise, you might ruin it yourself. But all in all, be patient. I understand it can be hard. I understand you want these things to happen now. I understand there's certain things that you want to get right now, materialistic and not materialistic. But all in all, you need to learn to be patient. Because if you try to rush something, if you try to rush into something, you don't even realize how negative the outcome may be. This is why we don't rush into the market. We don't rush into trades. You don't rush a test. You don't rush anything in life. Because as soon as you try to rush something to come because you want it to happen now, it's typically the moments that you realize inevitably you really wish you didn't. Because I can't tell you the amount of trades that I've gotten into, the amount of trades I may have signaled that, oh, I'm looking at the move, oh, let's just get into it. We rush into the trade straight off the market open, and then boom, all that money's gone. That contract's gone. The contract's negative. We're sitting in chop this time the freaking third. An unnecessary loss because I decided to rush into something instead of being patient and waiting. Being patient and waiting to see how everything is going to form. Using the growth from all the lessons and everything, the tests and whatnot that I've gone through, using those moments, those what will be seen as negative moments that are actually positive moments for, again, future growth, using that to fuel me to make better decisions. So be patient and just wait. Because trust me, if you can just be patient and you can just wait and you can just trust the Lord through the process, no matter how hard it gets, absolutely everything that the Lord has promised, absolutely everything that you've prayed to the Lord to receive will come to you. You just need to be patient and focus on God and trust God through the process. Remember His word, and that's it. Don't listen to the devil. Don't give in to those negative thoughts, because those negative thoughts don't come from God. And everything that you want will be blessed to you. So be patient and trust God. I hope this video was helpful. Didn't want to make it too long. It didn't even need to be that long. All right? But again, just remember to be patient. Trust God through the process, and there's absolutely nothing to worry about. All right? God bless.